The diagram shows two digits number x and y. Number x has a as 10 digit and b as unit digit, whereas number y is the reverse of x. For example, if x is 29, then y is 92. Given the sum of digits of x is 6 and product of x and y is 765, find the number of x and y if x is the smaller number. It is given that the sum of digits of x is 6. So a plus b is equal to 6. So b is equal to 6 minus a. It is given that the product of x and y is 765. So number of x is equal to 10a plus b. 这里是十位数，这里是个位数，所以十位数就是 a 乘10，再加上 b 就等于 x。a 乘10加 b。Then number of y is equal to 10b plus a。所以同样的 number of y， 它的 b 呢是十位数，这个是个位数，所以十位数乘 b 加上 a， 10b 加 a 等于 y。这也要说明一下 ，product of x and y is 765。华文的意思是 x 乘上 y 等于765。The meaning of this sentence means that x times y equal to 765 means xy equal to 765. So x times y equal to 765. We found that b is equal to 6 minus a, so we substitute this equation into this equation. After that, we simplify the equation. We simplify again the equation. Next, we expand the equation. 9a times 60 is equal to 540a. Then 9a times negative 9a is equal to negative 81a squared. Then plus 6 times 60 is equal to 360. Then plus 6 times negative 9a is equal to negative 54a. Then 765 bring to the left become negative 765 is equal to 0. Then simplify the equation to general form of quadratic equation. So we bring down negative 81a squared. Then 540a minus 54a become positive 486a. Then 360 minus 765 become negative 405 equal to 0. These three terms can be divided by negative 81. How do I know these three values can be divided by negative 81? The values can be divided by 9 if the sum of the digits can be divided by 9. For example, 81. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 can be divided by 9. So 81 can be divided by 9. Next number, 486. The sum of digits 4 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 18. 18 can be divided by 9. So 486 can be divided by 9. So 486 divided by 9 is equal to 54. 54. The sum of digits of 54, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So 54 can again be divided by 9. So we divide again by 9. So we get 6. Next number, 405. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Means that 405 can be divided by 9. So 405 divided by 9 is equal to 45. And 45 can be divided by 9 again and get 5. Why do we divide the negative numbers? So that we can get the positive coefficient of a squared. so that we can factorize the equation much easier. After that, we solve the quadratic equation. And we get a equal to 5 or a equal to 1. We are given that b equal to 6 minus a. So when a equal to 5, b is equal to 1. When a equal to 1, b is equal to 5. X is a smaller number, so it means that s is less than y. So the number x is equal to 10a plus b, less than the number y is equal to 10b plus a. Then we simplify the linear inequality. So we get a is less than b. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5. So in conclusion, x is equal to 15, y is equal to 51. Actually, we no need to do this part. From this value, we know that x and y must be 51 and 15. And since x is a smaller number, then x should be 15 and y should be 51.